Welcome to Hard Biblical Questions, exploring Scripture's tough topics. If God is all-knowing, why did he create Satan? It's a profound question that has puzzled many for centuries. To explore this, we need to understand the nature of free will. In the Bible, God grants free will not only to humans, but also to angels. This freedom allows them to make their own choices. Isaiah 14, verse 12-15 describes the fall of Lucifer, a beautiful and high-ranking angel. Lucifer's pride led him to rebel against God. Ezekiel 28, verse 13-17 gives more insight into Lucifer's original state. God created him perfect, full of wisdom and beauty. However, his heart became proud because of his splendor, and he corrupted his wisdom for the sake of his glory, leading to his downfall. This rebellion transformed Lucifer into Satan, the adversary. Revelation 12:9 provides the climax of this rebellion, describing Satan being cast down to earth with his followers. The existence of Satan does not indicate a flaw in divine foresight. It shows the profound respect God has for free will, allowing his creations to make their own choices, even if those choices include rebellion. But why allow such a risky option? The answer lies in love. Love cannot exist without freedom. For genuine love to occur, there must be the option to choose not to love. God desires authentic relationships with his creations, and that necessitates the possibility of rejection and rebellion. It's through this framework of choice that God's glory and justice are ultimately demonstrated. Though Satan's rebellion brought chaos, it also set the stage for the demonstration of God's love through redemption. The story of Satan is not just about fall and rebellion, it's also about hope and restoration. God, in his omniscience, allowed these events, already preparing a plan for redemption, offering grace and a path of reconciliation through Jesus Christ. Even the presence of evil is turned into an opportunity for God's overarching plan of love and salvation to shine through. In essence, God's decision to create beings with free will, whether they are humans or angels, reflects his desire for a relationship based on love and choice, allowing his ultimate purpose of love and redemption to unfold. Thank you for watching Hard Biblical Questions. Please like, share, and subscribe.